If you want to maintain your privacy while using HBO Max, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open HBO Max. Launch the HBO Max app on your device or visit the HBO Max website in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Access Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy or Security Settings option. Click on it to access your privacy preferences. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, find the option related to online status or visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status settings, make sure to save any changes you made. Look for a save button or confirmation prompt before exiting the settings menu. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on HBO Max and enjoy your viewing experience with added privacy.